Yes.
Like and subscribe.
Go Birds.
Steelers are better.
Steelers, well, we shall see Sunday.
We'll see.
Eagles, Steelers, Sunday. The Battle of PA. Good job, guys. You're getting there. Looking good so far.
We good, man.
Good start, everybody. We're off and running.
Trippin'!
Yep.
Nothing to that, yo. Bro, what are you doing? I can't find this one.
Ooh, you guys are up to a great start. Great start. Good start, everybody. Good start. You made a worm. Let's see it. The worm. The worm died. You broke the worm.
She doesn't understand the way how I work.
You guys are getting there. What's good, guys? You're getting there. Ooh, look how pretty that is. That's awesome. Is this fun? Fun?
We're almost
Yeah?
done. Almost done.
Doing so good. You guys are doing great. Look at that. Beautiful. No fighting. No fighting. First group to get done. Look at that. Well done, guys. Looking good. Looking good, guys. Getting there.
I laid out. I dove to the back. I've never been out.
You got it? Awesome. Awesome. Let me get a tight shot of that. That looks beautiful. That's good. You did it. Very good. Good job, guys. You did it. We got an Eagles fan and a Steelers fan, and they worked together and got it done. The Eagles fan did all the work.
Eagles fans are going.
All right, I'm just kidding. Good job, guys. Great job, guys. Good work, girls. Good start, guys. Good start, ladies. Looking good.
Subscribe. Thank you.
Right. Wait, say it again.
Subscribe to Coach Wien.
All right, thank you. I need more subs. Good work, gentlemen. Looks good. Looks good. Off to a good start. On point. On point as always. Good job, you guys. You having fun, Coco? Yes. Good. Yes. Good job, you guys.
So 87 to 88 or over.
Guys off to a great start. Great start. Who's going to win, Eagles or Steelers?
Steelers.
Steelers. We'll see. We'll see. Big game.
104. 104.
Big game. All right.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Awesome. They finished, and it looks beautiful. Perfect. Well done. First group, correction. The first group, they did awesome. They're on their way, and then we get a nice shot of the table. Fantastic. Good work. Was that fun?
Yes.
Good. Good job, you guys. That looks really good. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Good teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. Nicely done. Looks good. Looks good. All right. Good job, you guys.
Thank you.
Right here, 12. Right here. Chase. Magnesium right here. Chase.
Doing good, everyone. Doing good. Good job. You guys did awesome. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Good. Very good.
Bringing me back memories.
Memories, huh? It's like Legos. They fit together. Perfect. Well done. Good teamwork. And warming up. Dude's got some quads. This quad's 600 pounds. Thank you. All right, we're getting started here with the periodic table lab. How you doing? Good. Awesome. Good start, man. Good start. How we doing back here?
We're looking for carbon. We're getting there.
I already got it. Done.
Oh yeah, good start. We're just starting out. Got a good crew here. Good crew. Working hard.
Okay, now I'm looking for
I'm looking.
Good start, guys. Yep, good start. Good start. This is the Eagles group right here. Go Birds.
Dude, I was looking. Yeah, we need salt. But I can't find salt. Or sodium.
Good start. Everything satisfactory? We're off and rolling. Good job, you guys. Nice class right here. Nice class. Nice group, except for these three. I'm just kidding. Go Birds. You're working hard. Guys are working hard. Working hard. Good job, making good progress here. Yep. Making progress. Good job, guys. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. You did it. That looks good. Skibbity Keen did it.
Okay. For the compliment.
Well, with help from his skibbity friends.
Okay, no.
No?
I'm done.
You're done.
Done.
He's tapping out. Skibbity Keen.
Wait, no, let me do this.
Good work, guys. Looking good. Looking good.
Wait, I have 21 or 22.
Looking good.
And then where's 28?
Eagles prediction for next week? Eagles prediction?
I have it. I'll say
25-17 Eagles.
Then this is what
Looks good.
2023.
Throw it to me. I'll catch it. Just right. Yeah, baby. Woo! Hey, get to work, you guys. Quit slacking.
Slacking.
Good job. I'm just kidding.
Where's Ella? Here, Miranda. This guy's underneath.
Good work, you guys.
Like the 1980s. I need to see it.
Good start. You're off to a good start. Good start.
Kenzie's not locking in.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Good job, you guys. Good work. Good work.
Now I need titanium, or I need TI is.
Good job, you guys. You know what? You need to lock in. Lock it in. Stop slacking.
She's locking her pieces in place.
Good job. Kenzie, you gotta lock in.
I've done this much and she's done that. What are you talking about?
Lulu, you need to lock in. Let's go. Let's go. Connor, stop slacking. This group's doing wonderful. Fine work. Fine work. You having fun so far?
So much fun.
Good. Good job, everybody. Good job. They finished first. Good work. Hey, don't. She photobombed me. All right, we have a group that finished. Well done, gentlemen. Good job. How was it? Was it fun?
Yes. Oh, I like your number one.
Good job. Lock it in. Good work. Good work, everyone.
Film Libby. No, don't.
What are we laughing at?